problem we have seen how to calculate the ESWL using a formula. Now we will see how to calculate this ESWL using graph. So in the graph I have shown, this is the graph. So you should have ESWL along y-axis, that is depth along z-axis you have to consider. Now we will be knowing the p value and we will be knowing d by 2 and 2s and 2p. First we will plot the straight line. Okay, we will consider the first problem. So tell me, what is p value they have given? P value
2044 kg. 2044 kg.
44 kg they are given. Then d is given as
110 mm.
110 mm.
110 mm. What is s value?
270 mm.
270 mm.
270 mm. Now you see here, you have to plot the graph in such a way that log z, log 10 z, log 10 ESWL, you have to plot. Now this will be 0, there will be 1 will be there, then another 0.01, then 0.1, 1, and the lag graph will be like this only, that is 0.001, like it will run, and it is also that is 0.01, 0.1, that is multiples of 10, that is 10, then 100, like this it will run. Now we have to plot the graph in such a way that 2 points should be indicated, that is point A and point B. So the coordinates are p comma d by 2 and 2p comma 2s we have to indicate. Now first what we will do means get the coordinates of point A. So kindly note down, A is equal to p comma d by 2. What is p? 2044 we have already known. What is d by 2? So coordinates of point A is 2044 comma 55. So how many of you have a log graph sheet? Log graph sheet, anybody? Or only having the normal graph sheet?
Normal.
Okay.
Normal graph.
In the exam
Log
also
graph
you
sheet, sir.
log idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First we will go for normal graph sheet. Later on I will come for log graph sheet, how to plot. So
Okay.
in the normal graph sheet, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like it will run. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, like it will run. But we need this x-axis to be converted into log. Okay, that is the d term should be converted to log. So first A is equal to log 10 2044, then log 10 55. Calculate the value. Calculate the value.
3.31.
3.31. Then log 55.
1.74.
1.74. So I will erase this graph. I will plot it very clearly. Okay. Now you consider here. So take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be z value in terms of log. Okay, or we can call it as z only. Now, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a ESWL. Now, for 1.74, so for z is equal to 1.74, mark 3.31 here. Are you getting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, then I'll erase this graph. The upper side graph. This is point A. We have got P comma D by 2, which is in terms of log. Now, point B. What is the coordinates of point B? It is 2P comma 2S. That is 4008 comma 2S 540. Convert log 10 4088. How much you are going to get? Log 10 540.
3.61.
So the point will be Z. What is Z value? Log 10 540.
2.73.
2.73. This one 3.61. Correct? Now for 2.73 and 3.61, you mark 2 line here. So this will be, so we are getting very nearby. So change the scale. So I have taken 1 as interval. You take a 1.5, that is 0.5, that is 1, next 1.5 to 2.5. Likewise, you can take the scale. So you will get a straight line here. 2P comma 2S. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
So I have taken 1, I think
Sir?
that is a scale. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, P comma D by 2 means X comma Y, right, sir?
It is Y comma X here.
Okay,
P comma D by 2. Wait a minute, I will clarify. Whether it is X comma D by 2 or Y comma D by 2. Yes, P is in terms of that is, it is Y comma X. Y will be in terms of this one means Y axis. D will be in X axis. Okay. I think you know how to plot the graph now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the Z value they are given? At what depth we are going to calculate? First one,
150.
at Z is equal to 150. Now convert this to log 10 150. What is the value?
2.17.
2.17. So from the x-axis at 2.17, cut this line. It will cut the point at C. So project towards x-axis. Y-axis, you will get ESWL. ESWL at 150. Artha agtidiya? Are you following this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others? Are people are following or not this one? There will be compulsory one question for IA and your main exams also. So what is the value you have got?
3.4, sir, from graph.
You will get 3.4. Is it the values what we have plotted? Is it log values?
Yes, sir.
So ESWL is equal to 10 power 3.4. Calculate it, how much you will get?
Two
2,511.88.
511.88.
2500.
511.88.
You check with the formula. Is it similar? Is there any major changes in the ESWL when we have calculated using the formula?
2,766, sir, from the formula.
From the formula you got 2760. Okay, it's okay. It will be varying. I hope it is clear, right? How to do the problem now.
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly for z is equal to, what is the next z value?
200.
200. At z is equal to 200. So log 10, 200, how much you will get? I think it is 2.
2.3, sir.
2.3. So for 2.3, project a line upwards, which will cut the straight line and draw a line perpendicular to y-axis. So log 10 ESWL, how much you will get? So it will be decimals. So ESWL is equal to 10 power this value. How much you are getting?
3.5, sir.
3.5. So 10 power 3.5, calculate the value, we get in terms of kg. This is using normal graph sheet.
.27, sir. 62.27.
3127. Okay. This will be whatever the value we have calculated. What is the value we have calculated using formula?
3019.95.
3095.
Which is very nearby, approximately. So it is okay. I hope this is clear, right? How to plot the graph. All the values you should convert it to log. Then again you have to take anti-log. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Rajita, those who are using log graph sheet, I think you have log graph sheet, right, Rajita?
No, sir. Darshita have, sir.
Darshita have log, huh?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
I think you know how to plot the log graph sheet also.
Yes, sir.
So the same values you have to take in the x-axis, and the same whatever the values they have given directly, you have to take these values. No need to convert to log when you are using log graph sheet. Okay. Shall we move to next problem? Shall we move? Only respond.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
the value from the log graph will be directly ESWL.
When you are using log graph sheet, whatever the value you are going to get directly, that will be the ESWL. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here we are converting all the values into log, right? Yes or no? Whatever the
Yes,
value
sir.
we are going to, it will be in log value only. But we don't need log value. We need actual. So converting that value to actual value. So taking anti-log, we will get ESWL. Okay. So what is the second problem? So this one is completed. So we were solving this one, right? This one, right? This is the problem we have written, right? Kindly respond.
It's third sum, sir.
This is the third sum. Okay. We'll see.
Yes, sir.
We'll work out using the graph only. We'll. I think formula it is easy. We'll see how to plot this graph. So what is the p value they have given? P value
20.5 kilonewton.
20.5 kilonewton. Okay. P value they have given it as 20.5 kilonewton. Okay. What is the S value they have given and D value?
20 and 90, sir.
20 S centimeter. D value is 90 centimeter. Correct? Now calculate 2S, that is 40 centimeter. D by 2, it is 45 centimeter. Now this is the normal values. First we will convert log 10 of P, that is log 10 of 20.5. Calculate the value. Next log 10 of 2P, it is log 10 of 41. So what is the value? Log 10 of 2S, that is log 10 of 40 centimeter. Log 10 of D by 2. So log 10 of 45. Calculate the values. How much you are going to get?
1.31, sir.
So log of 20.5, 1.31. So 1.31.
1.61.
Log of 41, 1.61. Log of 40, 1.60. Log of 45,
1.65.
1.65.
1.65. Now you can see here. Now we will go for graphs. So ESWL pavement thickness, we will consider 1. So we will go for a 1.6, right? So 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6. No. Directly we will reduce the scale. So 1.5, 1.55, 1.60, 1.65. No, we will not get. So we'll take 1.60, 1.61, 62, 1.63, 1.64, 1.65. I think you all know this quartile of scale, right? Quartiling, scale quartiling. Okay. Now I will quartile here. So 1.31 to 1.61. Okay. 1.3, 1.35, 1.40, 1.45, 1.50, 1.60, 1.65. Now, what is the first value? P comma D by 2. Point A is P comma D by 2. So A is equal to P. 1.31 comma D by 2. It is 1.65. So mark 1.65. That is P 1.31. So it is getting. Wait a minute. Clear gap between the walls is 90 centimeter. Okay, correct. B is 2P comma 2S. 2P comma 2S. B 2P is 1.61 comma 2S, it is 1.60. So the x-axis is 1.60, 1.31. We will get here. Are you going to get the graph for this one? 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61, 1.61,
A is equal to P. P is 1.31. Okay. Will come here. Then 2P comma 2 is 1.61. We are getting like this.
Anybody plotted the graph?
And this is point A. This is point B. So we'll get the straight line like this. So what Z is equal to,
What is Z? 4.5, 18 and 40.
4.5, 18 and 40. At Z is equal to log 10, 4.5.
0.65, sir.
0.45, 0.65. So we are not getting 0.65 Z.
So we have to change the scale now. Here also 18. 1.25. Here also we are not going to get log 18. So you should be very careful while selecting the scale also. Okay. 40, it is 1.60. It is 1.60. So we'll get 1.60. But we will not get this 18 and 4.5. So we have to modify the scale. So you have to modify. Okay, we'll see this modification later. Have you calculated using the formula? This one? Formula
Yes, sir.
using formula? Okay. How much you have got?
Yes.
Remove the graphical portion. Completed? Graph. I think you all know how to plot the graph now. Is it clear? Only respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll move for next problem. Then the next problem. So plot the ESWL chart for the following condition. Total load carried by single wheel load. Have written. Have written or not?
Writing, sir.
Okay, okay. Kindly inform after writing so that I can proceed for solution part.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we will move to solution part.
Sir, writing first.
Write down, write down. You have to inform after completion.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we will move for solution part. So what is the p value they are given? Load
120 kilonewton.
load they have given it as 120 kilonewton. Then what is the a they have given? What is a value? A value or they have given p value. Total pressure they have given. The small p they have given it as 0.55 MPa. Then they have given d value. D, what is d? Center to center distance between the two tires is 457.2 mm. So they have not given S value. We have to calculate S value. So first we have to calculate A value. Why? Because S is equal to D plus 2A. This is the formula. So first we have to calculate A value, P divided by pi P. So convert this to 120 into 10 power 3 divided by pi into 0.55. So calculate, you will get in terms of mm. Area, that is the radius of contact area. What is the radius of contact area?
263.53 mm.
263.5.
3, sir.
5. Okay. Now calculate S is equal to D 457.2 plus 2 into 263.5. How much you are going to get? S is equal to D plus 2.
984.2.
That is 984.2 mm. So we'll consider 984 mm, which will be helpful. Now log 10P, calculate it. Log 10 2P, log 10 2S, log 10 D by 2. So log 120 kilonewton, log 240, log 10 2S, 984 into 2. into 2 into 2. It is 1968. Log D by 2, 457.2 divided by 2. So log 10, 229 will consider. So calculate. Log 120.
2.07, sir.
2.07.
2.38.
2.38. Log 19.
3.29.
3.29. Log 229. 2.35. At what depth they are asking? What is the depth they are asking?
500 mm.
So at Z is equal to 500 mm. So log 10 Z is equal to log 10 500. Calculate the value. Log 500 is 2.69. Now plot the graph. of convenient, that is Z value, and this is ESWL. 2P, 2S. So 2.38 is there. We require 2.69. So P is 2.07. So we'll consider 1, 2, 3 only. Here also 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first value is P, D by 2. 2.07, 2.35. So you will get the point here. This is A. Then the B value is 2P, 2S, 2.38 and 3.29. 2.38 and 3.29. So we will get the point B. 2P, 2S, 3, D by 2. Then we have got Z is equal to 2.69. So 2.69, draw a line. If you cut this straight line here, so project it. So check it. ESWL, that is log 10 ESWL you are going to get. So convert that ESWL is equal to 10 power, let us assume Y. So you will get 10 power 4. So plot it and tell me how much you will get ESWL value. So kindly plot the graph and tell me what will be the ESWL value. Suhara,
Sir,
are you plotting the graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, plot and tell me what will be the value. Is it completed? Is it completed? Kruti,
yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ?
Sir, ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Maruti,
Sir,
what is the ESWL value?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ sir.
Puneet. What is the ESWL value? Kindly tell me. Darshita,
Sir,
what is the value?
sir, I don't have graph sheet, sir.
Who is plotting then? Rajita,
Yes, sir.
are you plotting the
Doing,
graphs or
sir.
not? What?
Plotting, sir.
Kindly tell me the ESWL value. So that is log 10 ESWL, how much you are going to get, and what will be the ESWL after converting that to anti-log.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, log 10 ESWL value is 2.12, sir.
2.12.
12.
Okay. 10 power 2.12. How much you will get?
131.82.
131.8 kilonewton will be the ESWL for the given value. Okay. Okay, I think it is clear, right? How to plot the graph? Shall we move
Yes,
for
sir.
next problem? Okay. So note down this problem. For this, you calculate both graph using graph and formula. Calculate it and tell me using formula how much you are going to get at a depth of 5 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and 42 centimeter. S value is given as 21 centimeter. D value is given as 10 centimeter. Have written?
No, sir.
Shall we move for solution part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So using formula, what is the p value given? P value
22 kilo.
22 kilonewton. What is S value given? Center to center
21
spacing. 21
25.
centimeter. What is the clear gap between the wheels of the vehicle?
10 centimeter.
That is 10 centimeter. Now, first at Z is equal to how much? One is 4.5 or 5. At Z
5
is
centimeter, 20
5,
and
sir.
42.
5, 20 and 40 centimeter you are going to determine.
Sir.
42, sir.
40 or 42?
42.
42. 42.
Now at Z is equal to 5 centimeter. First we will use the formula ESWL. So log 10 of P plus 0.301 log what is this Z divided by D by 2 whole divided by log 2S by D by 2. Now log 10 of P 22 plus 0.301 into log Z is 5 divided by 2, it is D by 2, it is 5 divided by log 2S 42 divided by D by 2, it is 5. Calculate the value.
1.34.
1.34. 10, that is ESWL is equal to
21.8.
21.87 kilonewton. So from the formula we are getting this one. Now by the graph I will show only one thing, that is we will solve. Okay, I will not skip. 20 centimeter, then log 10 ESWL, that is log 10 22 plus 301 log Z is 20 divided by D by 2 is 5 divided by log 42 divided by 5. 2s will be constant. Okay. Now tell me what is the
1.5.
ESWL. Directly tell me the ESWL.
33.88.
33.8 kilonewton. Okay. Similarly for Z is equal to 42 centimeter. Calculate the ESWL. Kilonewton. So kindly calculate the ESWL at 42 centimeter.
$43.65.
43.65. Okay. Now this is using formula. I will write here ESWL is equal to 21.8 kilonewton. ESWL is equal to 33.8 kilonewton. Then ESWL is equal to 43.65 kilonewton. Now we will go for graphical solution. How this graphical solution is going to work? So we need a point A, P comma D by 2. So log 10 of P, log 10 of 22. So calculate the value. Log 10 of D by 2. So log 10 of 5, calculate the value. Then V point is a 2P comma 2S. Log 10 of 2P, that is log 10 of 44. Then log 10 of 2S, log 10 of 42. Calculate the value and tell me.
$1.34, sir.
1.34. Then
0.69.
0.69. Point B.
1.6.
1.64.
64.
64. Then log 42.
1.62.
1.62. Now we have to plot the graph. That is ESWL on y-axis, Z on x-axis. So Z is equal to 5 means that is log 10 5 is 0.69. Z is equal to 20, log 10 20, calculate the value. Z is equal to 42, log 10 42, calculate the value. Check it how much you are going to get. Log 20,
1.3, sir.
1.30. Then log 42,
1.62.
62. Now we need 0.6, so we'll take in the 0.6, 1.2, 1.8, then 3.4. Okay, will not get. What type of scale you are going to choose now? In terms of 0.4, can we go? 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 2.0. Okay. Here also, that is 0.69 is there, 1.62 is there, then 0.69, 1.30, okay, 1.62. Then 1.34 and 1. So 1.1 will go, 1.2, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Then we will go for 1.7. What is the point 1? Point A. Point A. Coordinates of point A. That is 0.69 and 1.34. You will get the point here. So point A. So you will get the point A here. Then point B. That is Z is 1.62 and Y is 1.64. So you will get the point here. Point B. So draw a straight line. Now at Z is equal to 0.69. So 0.69 you will get here. So draw a line here and project it. Calculate the ESWL. Then 1.30. Project the line here. Calculate the ESWL. 1.62. So whatever the value you are getting. So 1.62. Draw a line like this. Project it. So we will get 3 ESWL value. So log 10 of ESWL is equal to so and so at Z is equal to 5, at Z is equal to 20, same value, at Z is equal to 42, log 10 ESWL value, calculate it and tell me. Anybody plotting the graph? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plot it and tell me. At Z is equal to 5, what will be the ESWL? At Z is equal to 20, what is the final ESWL? You tell me. Not log of ESWL.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I hope the problems are understanding right. How to solve the CSWL problems?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will arrange these things so that we can write the solution here. So at Z is equal to 5, log 10
Sir.
of WL, how much you are going to get? ESWL
Sir,
is equal to
1.34 we are getting, sir, for Z is equal to 5.
1.34.
34.
Okay. 10 power 1.34, you calculate it. That will be in terms of kilo.
21.87, sir.
21.87. So that will be the ESWL after Z is equal to 5. So then at Z is equal to 20,
1.49, sir.
ESWL is equal to 1.49. So ESWL is equal to 10 power 1.49. How much you are going to get?
30.9, sir.
30. 30.
Yes, sir.
30.90,
90, sir.
kilonewton. Okay. ESWL at 20 centimeter. Then at Z is equal to 42 centimeter.
1.66, sir.
1.6.
6. So ESWL is equal to 10 power 1.6. Calculate the value.
39.8.
39.8 kilonewton. Okay, this will be the ESWL value. Okay, I hope everyone have understood right this one. In the exam, there will be compulsory question.
Yes, sir.
Using graph only you have to do, not the formula. If they have asked the formula, you have to use formula. If they have not asked, means you should go for graphical solution only. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
There is one more problem is there, you can work out yourself. So I'm going to stop the session now. So this completes the half portion of second module. Till now what we have discussed, the half portion is completed. From next class onwards, that is from Monday, I'm going to start with various methods of payment design. Okay, various methods used for the design of payment, and we will be solving more problems on that. Okay. Okay.